You know that feeling, right? You ask an AI for something brilliant, and what you get back is, well, completely useless. If you are so over getting those generic, bland answers and you really want to unlock the true power of AI, you are in exactly the right place. We're about to break down the 8 key ingredients that will transform any vague question into a valuable command.
Oh yeah, that feeling. You've got this specific, important thing you need. You type it into the AI, and the response is so generic it's completely worthless. It's not just unhelpful, it is genuinely frustrating. We've all been there.
Okay, so let's look at a classic example of where things go wrong. A super vague, low-effort prompt like "write about effective AI prompts" gets you an equally lazy response. The AI pretty much just repeats your question back to you as a statement. It's the perfect definition of garbage in, garbage out.
And here's the thing, this is where most of us get it wrong. We blame the tool. But the AI is incredibly powerful. The weak link in the chain almost every single time is the instruction we give it. But the good news? That's the one part we have total control over.
This, right here, this is the key. It's a total mindset shift. We need to stop asking simple little questions and start providing detailed blueprints. Seriously, think of your prompt like a recipe or a precise set of instructions that guides the AI to build the exact answer you have in your head.
So, how do you actually build that perfect blueprint? Well, it's not magic, it's a framework. And it all comes down to mastering these 8 key ingredients that are going to completely change how you interact with AI.
All right, let's start at the beginning, building the foundation. These next 3 ingredients are the absolute, non-negotiable essentials. If you get nothing else right, you have to get these right.
First up, you've got to give the AI a role or a persona. Don't just talk to some generic machine. Tell it who to be. Is it a senior marketing strategist? A Python developer with a decade of experience? Assigning a role instantly focuses the AI's enormous knowledge. It changes its tone, and it sets its entire point of view.
Number 2 is the task. This is the what. And you need to be incredibly specific and always use an action verb. Don't just talk about something, tell the AI to do something. Are you asking it to write, summarize, create, translate, or analyze? A clear task that's focused on an outcome leaves zero room for confusion.
And the last piece of our foundation is context. This is all the background detail the AI can't possibly know unless you tell it. Who is this for? What's the bigger goal here? Are there any specific limitations it has to follow? Context is what takes an answer from just generic to perfectly tailored for you.
So, boom, there they are. Role, task, and context. These 3 together form a rock-solid foundation. Get these right, and I'm telling you, you are already 80% of the way to a fantastic result.
Okay, so with just those 3, you're already getting good results. But what if you want to go from good to truly exceptional? Well, that's when you need to master the pro controls. Think of these as the 5 levers that give you surgical precision.
Now, this is where you really start conducting the orchestra. Forget just listing these, look at the superpower each one gives you. Output format, for example, means you can demand a perfectly structured JSON file, a markdown table, or even a series of tweets. Or what about the reasoning layer? That's like telling the AI, hey, don't just give me the answer. First, show me your work, explain your thinking step by step. Every single one of these, from tone to special instructions, gives you another layer of command.
All right, we've got the theory down, we have our foundation and our pro controls. Now for the really cool part. Let's put it all together and see the absolutely dramatic difference it makes.
Remember that sad little vague prompt from the beginning? The one that gave us that completely useless answer? We're going to take it and rebuild it from the ground up using our 8-ingredient blueprint.
And wow, look at the difference. It is absolutely night and day. The vague prompt is basically a suggestion. The masterful prompt is a command. It assigns a role. Act as an expert technical writer. It defines the format and the task, create a markdown table. It provides the crucial context for a blog post. All of that precision, all of those ingredients are packed into one powerful instruction.
The result you get from a prompt like this isn't just a little bit better, it's in a different league entirely. It's more specific, it's more useful, and it's infinitely more valuable, all because you took a moment to guide the AI with precision.
And this is what it feels like to get exactly what you wanted. You get the perfect format, the clear definitions, the right tone. And the best part? It's immediately usable. No more frustrating rewrites or going back for a second or third try. You get what you need the first time.
So, when it all comes down to it, here's the bottom line. Think of your AI as this incredibly powerful engine. A great prompt is the steering wheel, the gas pedal, and the GPS that lets you command that power and direct it exactly where you want to go.
So, I'm going to leave you with a question. Now that you have the blueprint to command AI with this kind of precision, what are you going to build?